model, 64 Plate Iveco Daily 35C13 LWB 2.3 Crew Cab tipper needs repair, starts, drives No Vat. Body, yellow, tipper. Mileage, 95,138. MOT, the 15th of October 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE348-1M. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The front passenger shock mounting has corroded and snapped, so will need some welding. Also, the center prop shaft bearing is noisy, so this will also need repairing. Definitely worth doing. Genuine low mileage. Tipper works perfectly. Grin, this still starts and drives, but up to you whether you do. Thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history.